Everyone knows how much I love spaghetti, but what is my favorite wine? Everyone knows that actually white wine is the perfect match for spaghetti with clams, but today I'm just gonna go with a high quality rosé. What does it mean, high quality rosé? It means that the place where rosé is produced, there is winemakers that actually are focusing on producing rosé as their main focus. Valténesi is a region on the Lake Garda and is the perfect spot because there is 100 winemakers over there and they're all loving their rosé world. Look at the color, pearl. Let's see on the nose. It's very, very fresh. Lots of mountain strawberries, pomegranate, a lot of like Mediterranean herbs. Talking about Mediterranean, actually, spaghetti with clams is actually one of my favorite, one of my desert island dish. Valtenesi is produced on the Lake Garda, on the western shores, so getting all the beautiful sunshine of the morning. And Lake Garda is a mountainy area, and yet the Garda Lake makes it into a Mediterranean region. Oh yes, the lemon zest in the end makes the wine a perfect match.
Did I hear lemon zest?
Yes, you did. Man, that's gonna be awesome. You know what? I'm just gonna prepare a glass of Valtenesi for you as well.
Thank you.
There you go. Never be too shy about matching food and wine, because if it's true that some things go well with certain wines, oh man, the lemon zest is reflecting what's in the nose and actually is enhancing the lemon zest of the wine.
Exactly.
Oh, where is my fork? Have you watched our next video yet? Well, if you haven't done it, go for it right now. And for more tips, tricks, and of course, love, you gotta follow our channels and subscribe our social media. It's the opposite. Follow our social media and subscribe our channel.